This is a just concluded project and we are excited to share with you. For this installation, the client requested the solar carport system designed for efficiency, durability and reliable power. The system is powered by an 8kW Felicity hybrid inverter paired with two 15kWh LVTOPSUN lithium batteries, ensuring long-lasting energy storage and seamless power supply. From structural setup to the system integration, every stage of this installation was handled with precision and attention to details. Follow us as we take you through the installation process and show you how clean, smart energy comes to life. Without any form of delay, once the framework was in place, we began positioning the panels on the structure. It was a detailed and demanding process, but with the expertise of the AKSUN Electronics Technologies team, every challenge was handled professionally. We bring solutions to every task. Here, every hangs on deck to ensure we completed the exterior aspect of the project, the solar carport, efficiently and to standard. And finally, here is the finished result, our beautiful completed solar carport. Next, we moved on to the unboxing, positioning and connection of the 8kW Felicity hybrid inverter to the two 15kW LVTOPSUN lithium batteries. And here is the final setup. Our team leader will now take you through how the system operates and how all components work together to deliver a reliable power.
So we're here today. Our client gave a call on us and he said he specifically chose that he wants LVTOPSUN. Here we are. So we have two beasts here, two 15kW LVTOPSUN battery. Very interesting battery, very nice battery, nice design. Can you see sleek? Though this particular version of battery doesn't come with MCCB, but you can see, so they have their own terminals at the top here. Nice design, sleek design. So I'll be covering this back. So but we will introduce our own MCCB right here. So we introduce it right here. So we have two 15kW LVTOPSUN battery, and then right here we have our Felicity 8kVA or 8kW hybrid solar inverter. So it comes with two strings. This is not the first time we are using this product. So it comes with two strings. A beautiful design from Felicity, also a beautiful design. It also comes with inbuilt Wi-Fi dongle. Here's the antenna. Inbuilt Wi-Fi dongle. So which means if you can get this installed for your customer, he can monitor everything going on with this in this system via his phone anywhere in the world, provided he has internet in his house. There you go. So beautiful system here, sleek system. So here's our protection box. From my left here, I have my inbuilt breaker that supplies. We can see that this is off right here. It's off. So, but we have a grid currently, but we have to put it off so that we can check the performance of our solar system. So it's off. That's why this guy is reading 00. So it's off right there. So now the next AVR here is for our output. So currently now we are drawing 3.5 amps of load currently in the house. So here we have our AC surge, DC surge for PV1 and the breaker. Then we have our second box here for PV2. This is the breaker and then there's also the surge. So a very sleek design here. Okay, let's look at our battery. Now this is our master. Another beautiful thing I love about LVTOPSUN is their touch screen. Can you see how beautiful it is? And then it comes with a gauge and it's a touch screen. So now let me just give you an info. Right, currently our battery is at 90%. it's charging. Whenever we are discharging the battery, it's going to indicate it here also, but currently now it's charging. It's still early, and then the time from my phone now is can you look at it, this 3:31 a.m. in the morning. So currently now we are still generating something that can still charge the battery, and at the same time we are using the system. You can see that we are drawing 3.6. Let's check from the inverter. Just want to show you the load we are drawing from the inverter. The load is 9%. That is about 700 and something, 650 watt of load, and we are still charging the battery at the same time. So the battery volt is 53.3 and it's charging with 1.2 hours. Let's check this other one. The other one's also the same thing, 53.3 charging also 1.2. So the currents must be uniform. So how can you achieve this? It's just simple. Make sure the cables that connect both batteries together are of equal length and then of equal gauge. Equal length, equal gauge. So both of them were connected directly to our MCCB. Then from our MCCB, we picked our battery source right to the inverter. Now let me show you some other features from this our lovely battery here. So if I swap it like this now, can you see it's giving me the manufacturer info, the version, the pack, the BMS. I swap again, I have my capacity info. It's a 300 amps battery. Remember, it's a 15 kilowatt, so that's equivalent of 300 amps. Our SOC, that's the state of charge of the battery, is at 90%. This battery has just only run one cycle. So remember, lithium batteries, if the cells the manufacturer use to produce them are grade cells, so they should be able to run at least like 6,000 circuits. 6,000 circuits, but I believe LVTOPSUN circuits is 6,000 circuits. This comes with a 5 years warranty. So I give kudos to LVTOPSUN on that. So we have our temperature information also. The temperatures of the cells, temperature of the system, temperature of the environment. Those are the information you can get right here. Then the cells voltage, can you see this? The cells voltage from cell 1, 2, 3. The system should come with it comes with a 16 cell, it's a 16 cell battery, and that's how you can know a complete cells battery. It has to be 16 cells. So here we have the whole 16 cells, their voltage. You can see that they are uniform. So that means the BMS is doing what it ought to do. The function of the BMS is to make sure the whole cells in the systems are equal. They are equal, they are balanced. It's not that one cell is doing more than the other. Share you get me? So now let me move to the next page. So this next page, whenever we have any occurrence, any bad occurrence that could have happened on the system, we have the record here. So currently now you are seeing that our alarm is not, protect is not, fault is not, so which means it's newly installed, no occurrence for now. So then our next is history event. History event also will show you past event that has occurred on this battery, maybe some bad occurrence or whatever history, it will show you right here. Then we have our set protocol. That's communication with your inverter. Set the type of inverter you are using with the batteries and all that, and then the type of communication you are using. If it's going to be CAN, if it's going to be RS4085, that's that. Then we have our time here, display time. So you can set your time to also. So that's that. And then your language. So we speak in English right here. So this is on English. If you are China, you pick China. And lastly, to our beautiful gauge. So that's LVTOPSUN for you. I give this to them. So our system is working beautiful right here. So you love this system, you want this type of setup, reach out to us. Feel free to reach out to us, DM us in any of our social media handles or our contacts. Our WhatsApp is always open 24/7. Then we can give you free energy audits. First and foremost, we give you free energy audits for what whatever capacity is recommended for your load, and then we give you our quotation and we pick it up from there. Don't forget, we move to anywhere. We can install wherever you are in Nigeria. Thank you guys.